Aloha and welcome to my channel, 808 Living Island Style. My name is Jeff Hanna, and the goal of my channel is to show you what living on the big island of Hawaii is all about. In the past, I've mentioned that I'm gonna get my GoPro and drive all around the island so you could see what it's really like here. Well, this is the first video where I actually did that. I needed to go to the farmer's market, so I loaded up my camera, grabbed my wife, and off to Waimea we went. Right, so this video is gonna show me driving from my house all the way up the mountain to the farmer's market. And luck had it, there were two farmer's markets going on that day, so we get to see them both. Right, so check out my video. I hope you like it. Alright, well thanks for watching my video today. I hope you liked it. Please leave me any comments or feel free to reach out. And always remember, you can like, subscribe, and definitely go to my website. On the website, you'll have access to the whole MLS for the big island of Hawaii. So check back often, because I'm always adding content to this channel. See you next time, and thank you, or as they say in Hawaii, mahalo.